This is a video tutorial on how to unlock or open manually a broken trunk in just 2 easy steps. Here you can see that I cannot open the trunk manually and also from the key. First, try opening manually using the key blade. Insert the key into the driver's door lock cylinder and open the door. If it's not working, follow the next steps. 1. Open the door and fold the driver's seat and the back seat to access the trunk. Two, press the button on the left of the lock and push the tailgate to open it. If you want to repair the trunk lock, you just have to check these parts first: fuses from the inside fuse panel and from the engine compartment, the switch from the trunk handle, the tailgate actuator, the wires from the left side of the tailgate. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.